Hello friend, in this video we are going to create an animated border like Ali Abdaal for your own videos. We are going to create a rounded rectangle having a line moving continuously around it in After Effects. If you want to create this effect for your own videos, then you are at right place. So let's start. How can we create this effect in After Effects? First off, let me quickly show you the kind of animation we are talking about. As you can see, this is a rounded rectangle with an animated line moving along it. Now let's start creating this step by step. We are using After Effects for this. We create a new composition having 9020 by 1080 pixels in the size, and I will set the duration to 10 seconds. Now let's make a simple rectangle. You can adjust the size to whatever you need or even make it a circle if you prefer. Next, import the image or video you want to display inside this shape. Once that's done, we will round the corners of the rectangle, and you can choose how much rounding you want. After that, duplicate the rectangle and turn off the visibility of the duplicate for now. Now, bring in the image or video you imported and place it inside the shape, adjusting it to fit nicely. Once it's in place, we will create a mask so only a certain part of the image is visible. Next, let's duplicate the layer. You can change the color of the layer if you like. For instance, I am going with blue. Then adjust the stroke size for the outline. Here I have set it to 10 pixels, but you can go thicker or thinner depending on what you want. Now we will apply an effect called trim pass to get that animated line. We will keyframe it to move around the rectangle smoothly. Adjust the keyframes and you will see the animation looping continuously. Now set the duration of the animation up to 10 seconds, 20 seconds or however long you need it. Afterward, apply the deep glow effect to make it look even better. Remember, deep glow effect is the paid effect in the After Effects. Finally, go to the stroke settings and change the cap to rounded cap for a smoother edge on the lines. And there you have it. A simple but cool animation effect for your videos. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button. For more tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel. And if you have any other topics in mind, let me know in the comments and I will make a video on that too. See you in the next video.